Welcome back to Miss April's English. Today we'll be talking about conversation starters. What are some things that you can say to other people so that you never run out of things to say? Let's get started. So, why do you need conversation starters? Well, sometimes talking to native English speakers can be intimidating, or if you don't know as much language as you want to know, it may make you feel a little bit scared to keep talking. So, having these conversation starters will get you feeling more comfortable, more confident, and possibly build some structures around things you could say in different scenarios. Let's look at everyday situations. This can be broken down into greetings or introductions, asking for help or giving directions, and small talk. When you're being introduced to someone, it's a good idea to respond with, "It's nice to meet you," or perhaps, "And what do you do for a living?" Perhaps you might be asking for help or giving directions. We use words like, "Excuse me, could you tell me where the nearest library, coffee shop, gas station is?" Or, "How do I get to the bus station?" And sometimes there are times when we have just small talk and there may not be a really good purpose to direct your conversation. So saying things like, "Have you read any good books lately?" Or, "What are your plans for the weekend?" could really prompt some more conversation. Now let's look at deeper conversations where you might be speaking to someone for a much longer period of time. For instance, with hobbies or interests, what kind of music do you listen to? Or, what do you like to do for fun? Is another way to start the conversation. Perhaps you're interested in travel or culture. You could say something like, "What's your favorite place to visit?" Or maybe, "What place would you like to visit someday and why?" That will really get someone else speaking. Current events or opinions are always something that you could speak about. Perhaps you could say something like, "What are your thoughts on the latest news?" Or, "What are your opinions about electric vehicles?" It could be any current event or anything going on at the current moment. Now, I want you to think about getting better through practice. Just like anything, the more you practice, the better you'll get. You could practice with family, friends, or maybe schoolmates. You could also make mistakes and realize that it's okay. You're learning through your mistakes. Practice frequently. It'll make you more confident and ready for your next conversation. So we've just talked about a few ideas for introductions, greetings, even getting into deeper conversations or small talk. But when you continue your practice, you'll be able to speak on more advanced topics, have even longer conversation, meet and speak to more English language learners, and then you could find and use more prompts, perhaps online or through TV or movies, and things you do in your everyday life. This will give you the much needed practice and boost your vocabulary and your overall everyday conversation skills. Thanks for watching today. Keep going. Practice as much as you can. I'm sure you can get more ideas along the way as you talk to and converse with more and more people. Don't be afraid. You got this. See you next time.